Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Sunday, June 18th, 2023. What I have here are a pair of vintage Evergo, I guess. They look like little gold lines. They have the point at the bottom. Anyway, yeah, I have three of them. The box for one got destroyed, but anyway, they're decorative, economical, quiet, durable. Well, I mean, they have held up at least in the box for, 50 years or whatever, so, or 45 years. So, here's an overall view of the boxes. And I shall now proceed to unbox them. Yeah, they're still held in place with staples. All right, 36-inch, 110 volts. This is the switch in its original bubble wrap. Electric ceiling fans, capacitor type. Choice of two different types of blades, the twisted or straight. Never had a twisted blade before, but there's the J-hook, the down rod, and J-hook holder, bushing. 36-inch wooden blades, brown, made in Hong Kong. I think that was still in the late 70s. I believe Hong Kong was still under British control before the Chinese got their grubby mitts on it and destroyed it. But anyway, there we go. Now these are nice. Still smell new. You can still smell that. Oh no! I mean that's a quality blade. I mean it's nice and solid, solid wood. Cheap plastic crap. Oh, beautiful. And now the good stuff. The motor. AC ceiling fan, 4CW. The bottom of the box is a bit spongy because these have been in storage for a very long time. I've had them, I got them back in 2006 on eBay. And I've only taken one out of the box. Maybe that one because the box was open, but here's the bell canopy that's sufficiently wedged in there. So brown, so malaise. And here is the motor. Yeah, it has a point. It's like a little gold line. Okay. Well, I will unscrew these screws, try to insert the down rod. Hopefully this fan will fire right up. It's even a separate package for the coupling. I was hoping to go a little further than that. That's what she said. But I digress. Haha. That's far enough. It's not going anywhere. I'd like to actually have the screws going into the holes, but I just want to demonstrate to make sure that the fan works. And this little guy here. Okay, so that goes up there. That goes through there. And there's a a nut and a cotter pin. Yeah, wise guy, yeah. Alrighty, well, haha, starting to look like a ceiling fan. Okay, now I'm going to open this one. Guess I did at one point in time. Got the blades there, and that nice little design. J-hook, control. Okay, I've already taken, this seems to have ripped. Oh, jeez. Yeah, that is very heavily water damaged. Hopefully it didn't affect the fan. But yes, I live in a New England. I have a New England's basements. They get flooded, you know, they do get flooded quite frequently. Well, the bell canopy remained unscathed. Well, the motor looks pretty good. Still turns freely, so hopefully in good shape. So anyway, there'll be more videos to come regarding these fans. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.